Today's video going to be replacing the thermostat on this GMC Canyon. Going to go ahead and take off this tube, unscrew the intake. $10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Remove the screw that holds it onto the throttle body. This tube that's under the intake, all you do is press it in, and then pull out. 13 millimeter for the bracket. $10 millimeter. Two 10 millimeters for the mount bolts. Alright, so here are the two bolts that hold it on. This one's pretty easy to get to. There's just a little bit of foam in the way. This one, there's a line that you kind of have to press out the way just a smidge, just so you can get the socket fully on. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and unscrew them all. And then you just slide it out the front. Now we'll go ahead and install our new one. Here's our new one. We have our new seal on it. So we'll go ahead and install it. Top off your reservoir. Now we'll go inside, turn on the truck, turn on the heat to cycle the coolant through the heater core and bleed the system. Turn on the car, put the heat on high, and just watch the temp. After driving around like 30 minutes, 207, just under 210 on the temp gauge. So we're good to go. Make sure you're getting heat out of the vents. It's blowing super hot after 30 minutes of driving. That's how you change the thermostats on the Canyons. Hopefully this video helped y'all. You have a good one.